Hey everyone, Specialty Chef Marty here. Just wishing all the fathers a happy Father's Day, because today is Father's Day, and I just want to let everybody know what I got for Father's Day as somebody. Just hope everyone, every male, whoever loves, female, whoever loves to cook, I hope you guys get one of these. I got a master built smoker. Man, wait till you guys check it out. I'm seasoning it right now, so I can't open it. So I'll go ahead and open it, let you guys know throughout the seasoning process, because the seasoning process is about 3 hours. So we'll go ahead and let you guys take a look at it. Alright guys, here it is. Here it is right here. Go ahead and let you see what it's all about. Master built smoker. There it is. If you guys can look at that, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Look at that temperature. It has to season for 3 hours when you get the smoker brand new. My lovely wife got it for me for Father's Day, so I just want to let you guys see what's going on with that. Zoom back out. But I can't open it right now because it is going through a seasoning process. I just want guys to let you know what I got for Father's Day. More to come. Alright, be careful here. Okay. Go ahead and open it up. This is exactly what it looks like in the inside when it's open. Now to this point on it, to finish out my seasoning, the seasoning on the grill, I will have to go ahead and put my wood chips in. My wood chips are right over here. It calls for a half a cup of wood chips. I'll show that to you again. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my wood chip tray here. There we go. That should be okay. Yep. So my wood tray is up in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close it back up. And I'm going to go ahead and let it finish out the last 45 minutes of the seasoning before using it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done, and I'll talk to you soon when I have something already inside of it cooking. Here you go, guys. Got a few things in there just to test them out, test the smoker out. Got a whole chicken in there. I got a pork loin in there as well. Looks pretty good. Looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and test out that pork loin. Make sure I got the right temperature. Looks like it's ready to come out. I don't want to spend too much time. Just want to let you guys see what the electric smoker from